Confirm the packaging is intact after the machine. Take out the machine. The accessories include a foot pedal, water pipe, sieve, power cord. In the lower left corner of the back of the machine, unplug the upper water pipe. Find the pipe sieve. Insert it into the outlet. Insert the water pipe into the water inlet. Insert the foot pedal. Tighten the power cord clockwise, as shown in the video. Prepare a bucket of pure water or distilled water. The water tank capacity is for liters. Insert the water pipe into the bucket. Insert the power head into the socket in front of the machine. Turn the emergency stop switch. Then turn the key switch to the on position. Click Settings. Enter the password 66. Click on Pumping. Pumping water takes about 1 minute. The video has been accelerated. Pumping completed. Click Pump Completed. Click Return. In the lower left corner of the back of the machine, pull out the water inlet pipe. Insert the tube sieve. Click to turn on to see the machine interface. It takes 60 seconds to boot up. The video has been accelerated. The machine is turned on. The upper right corner interface shows the laser. In the middle, step on the pedal to use it.